The development of a country depends to some extent on its climatic conditions. A favorable climate helps development and an unfavorable climate hinders it. The vast latitudinal expanse of India, the Himalayas in the north, and the vast oceanic region to the south affect the climatic conditions in India. Let us begin with monsoon winds. In summer, the temperature in the northern and northwestern parts of India is high, and so the atmospheric pressure is low. At the same time, the temperature on the ocean to the south is less, and so the atmospheric pressure is greater. Winds blow from this oceanic region of greater pressure to the land region of low pressure, that is, from the southwest to the northeast. They are known as the southwest monsoon winds. In winter, the land temperature is low and the atmospheric pressure is high, whereas the temperature on the ocean is higher and so atmospheric pressure lower. Therefore, winds blow from the high pressure area on the land to the low pressure area on the ocean. As they blow from the northeast to the southwest, they are known as the northeast monsoon winds. Seasons. The two important factors that cause the different seasons are temperature and rain. We have 4 seasons in India because of the climatic conditions. 1. Summer. 2. Monsoon. 3. Period of retreating monsoon. 4. Winter. 1. Summer. The summer season lasts from mid-February to mid-June. During this period, the weather is hot and dry. 2. Monsoon. The monsoon period lasts from mid-June to mid-September. The climate is warm and humid at this time. Low pressure in the northern and northwestern part of India causes the southwesterlies to blow from the ocean to the south. As these winds are moisture-laden, they give rain to most of the parts in India. These winds cause heavy rainfall in the western part of the Sahyadris. The rainfall decreases from west to east as they blow over the Indian Plateau region. You will notice that the eastern parts of the Sahyadris receive much less rainfall. Hence, this area is called the rain shadow region. The rainfall increases to some extent as the winds move towards the east. So the central part of the Indian Plateau region, that is, the southern slopes of Vindhyas, Satpuras and the Chota Nagpur Plateau region receive heavy rainfall. In Rajasthan, the Aravalli runs parallel to the direction of these winds. Hence, they are not obstructed and there is less rainfall here. The southwesterlies then blow over West Bengal and are diverted by the Himalayas towards the Punjab plains. Hence, the Indian plains receive rainfall which goes on decreasing from east to west. The figure shows that the rainfall in the eastern part of the North Indian plain is more than in the western part. In the eastern part, the Garo, Khasi and Jaintia hills stand in the way of these winds and so they cause more rainfall here. Cherrapunji, situated here, receives 10,800 mm and Mausinram 11,400 mm average rainfall annually. They are known as the wettest places in the world. 3. The period of retreating monsoon. October and November is the period of retreating monsoon. At this time, winds blow from the northeast to the southwest. As they blow from land, they are dry, but they collect moisture while blowing over the Bay of Bengal and cause rainfall in the coastal regions of Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. 4. Winter. The winter season lasts from November to January in India. The climate is cold and dry. During the winter season, the temperature in northern India is lower than that in southern India. Cold waves occur. There is snowfall in Kashmir and in other parts of the Himalayas. January is the coldest month in India. We can see fog, dew, frost in different parts of the country during this period.